Alright guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is my home hacks, the channel where we bring you a lot of hacks at home, repair of appliances, equipment, and so on and so forth. Alright, now today we want to do an electronic repair. I found out something about my TV, the whole TV here, that it is not sounding very well. The audio has become very poor. So today we want to check what is wrong with the speaker of the TV. That is what we want to check. Okay, so see the TV, the whole TV here. We want to know what's wrong with it, why the audio is not coming out as it should. This is the whole TV. So we want to open it and see what happened. We want to see what happened in there. Checking the speaker to repair it. Just follow along and see what we are going to do, how to repair electronics a small way. I want you to watch it to the end so that you can see everything, the beautiful information I'm going to provide. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up in the video, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Kindly share to your friends. Thank you very much. Let's see. So we want to open it up and see what happened inside. First of all, we put it down like this on the table. Then we bring the screwdrivers so that we can open the screws. We have several screws. One is here, this one here, another one here. Once you see arrow like this, you know the arrow is pointing to where the screw is. See the arrow here, that is pointing to where the screw is on the television set. Okay, so we've got all the screws out. The back cover is going to be open now. Right here we have the back cover, and then you can see the internal parts, TV set. Alright, we're not going to open it too much. We don't have any much work to do on the panel. Where we want to work is on the speakers. So we're going to bring out the speakers. There is one here, right here, there's a speaker, and on the other side there is second one here, right here. So we're going to bring out the speakers and see what is wrong with them, and then if need be, we change them. Okay, so we want to remove the speaker. First of all, we disconnect the wires, then we unscrew the speaker. So this is one of the speakers. Obviously it has gone bad. Obviously it's not working, so we need to replace it. Check the second one also and replace it. Let's go and remove the second one. Alright, we want to remove the second one. First of all, we disconnect the wires. We first of all disconnect the wires and unscrew. Alright, then we unscrew the speaker. So this is the second one. Looks good, but we are going to test to check what's wrong. I'm going to test the two now to know whether they are still working fine or not. So that's what we're gonna do now. So we need to check the ohmic resistance for the two speakers. The two speakers are supposed to be 8 ohm, 7 watts. Now let's check this one whether it's working fine. Okay. As we can see, this one is around 9.6 ohms. Let's check the second one. This is bad. The resistance has increased. Aha! This is very bad. So we're gonna change one of the two. Obviously, you could see that they are not the same because we have changed them before. We have actually changed them a few years back. So this is about 9. We're going to look for good speakers. Okay, so we're going to change. Okay, so we have the replacement for the speaker. See this now. It's a used speaker for such a TV of 21 inch like this. So we're going to use it to replace the old one. You see the old one here. Okay, so we're going to use the replacement for this and see. So we're going to fix it back to the position. One here and one here. Then next we're going to test the television and observe the sound produced. Okay, so we're going to check. Okay, let's see. Let's put this one there. Okay. So we need to connect the wires. Okay, so this side is done. Let's do the second one. Okay, all right, let's do the second one. Let's fix the second one. Okay, all right, let's fix the second one. Alright, so we connect the wires. Okay. So we need to adjust this one with plier. Alright. Okay, so we need to adjust this mouth of the connector here. Okay. Alright. So, and then we close this one a little bit with pliers. A pair of pliers is here, combination pliers. So we're going to make it to be its position. Okay. The one here is the negative. Okay, and the positive here. The speaker terminals are marked negative and positive, minus and plus. So the red goes to the plus. The red connector goes to the plus, the positive. So we open this a little bit. Okay, so we connect it well so that it will have very good contact. Close it up with pliers like this. Okay. All right. Okay. Very firm. Okay, so we fix the second speaker position. Okay. Okay. Now we need to put the connectors to the terminals. All right. The red to the positive. The positive is here and the negative is here. So the red goes to the positive like this. It's firm, and the black goes to the negative. Fix it firmly also. Okay, so with this we want to test the television. Let's cover it up now so that we can go and test it. Let's couple it back. All right, so let's couple the TV back. The screws, screw it back in position. So it's ready to be tested now. So we are going to put it in position and power it on, so that we should know how it functions. All right, so